In this video, I will show you how to create a active limb component in Next.js. For simplicity, I have already created 3 pages about contact and the privacy. And each page I have a simple date component. In the about page, I have about component. Similarly, is contact and the privacy. Now I will create a components folder. In the component folder, I will create a active limb component. Now I will create a simple date component. Now I will call is path name hook that provides Next.js. Make sure it will be imported from Next navigation. Now I will call link component that provides Next.js. In the href, I have to get dynamic link. That's why I am writing it again. And in the class name, I will write dynamic class. That's why I will remove it. And if current path is equal to href, the class name will be active class. What you want to active class, you can write it here, or it will be non-active class, and I will write some active class. And for non-active class, I will write here since my link and the link name will be dynamic, that's why I have to get it with props. I will write the label here. I will create another component named by navbar. So for I will convert it nav tag. In the nav tag, I will write ul li, and inside the li, I will call my active link component, and I will pass href, and the label will be home. Now I will copy the link sometimes and update it. It is time to use the navbar component in layout.js. Now I will tell something for showing good. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one.